Look who just loves to stay in the kitchen with me when Mama cooks. Loki. That big old beautiful boy. Look at him. I love him. Look how pretty he is. Look at those blue eyes. Look at those blue eyes. Look at those blue eyes, Angel. I love you. I love you. I'm in the middle of cooking. You know I can't be playing with you. Oh, he's my angel. Making me some steak burritos, y'all. Oh, smells so good. Oh. I got some steaks right here. And then I got my rice. And stir. Just a little watery. I gotta cook some dinner, y'all. I got it on low. Nice. I'm gonna let it sit for a little while. Let's see what this steak is doing. Happy Saturday, you guys. Now